Hi jelly beans, welcome back. I'm about to do a wig review on Braid Queens. This is a wig that's been braided. It is so beautiful, so I just want to give you a quick little video on the braids. It's a 30-inch fully collector-lawn hair. Came with baby hair, brown lace. You can pull that bun on top and down. You can wear it up. Oh, this wig is so amazing. I love it, love it. It came with some little gems, some little hair decorations. You can put that in your wig or your braids. Came with a little see-through. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Amberly K. I'm about to do a little quick hair tutorial and a hair review on this box, well, not box braid, but these tribal braids from Braids Queen. I found this off of YouTube here, and I'm like, I always wanted a braided wig, but just didn't really feel like going to get my hair braided sitting down. I hate sitting down getting my hair braided. I don't have patience for that, and let alone I don't like the tension and stuff on my hair because, honey, I'm tender-headed, and once I'm ready to go to bed, honey, I'm ready to take everything off. So let's just jump right into this. Okay, you guys, this is it. This is the final look. I just used hairspray, got2be freeze spray, just to mold it down. I'm about to give you guys a really quick review on it, real quick. I like it. It's very lightweight. It's very cute. I didn't put some little baby hairs down. Kind of messed that up just a little bit, but it's all right. It's all right. Cause honey, this is what it is. So now I'm just putting in a little bit of concealer in the parts a little bit so it can give it some kind of definition. So it can look more like a scalp, because if you get up really close, you can see that it's, you know, a wig and it's been braided. But girl, you know what they always say, if you too up in someone's face to know what's going on, you too close. Get back. Get back. Honey, I'm so proud of my hair. It looks so good. It's so cute. Hey, I can get up and dance. Hey. Look at that. Look at that. Who's sitting down for 22 hours getting hair braided? Not Ambi. Hell to the no. Braid queens, y'all better get y'all some. Y'all better get y'all wig, honey. And they got different other styles and everything else. Tell them that Amberly K sent y'all. Okay? It is so cute. So let me finish putting this in. Putting it in my hair. You can wear it in different styles. You can have it up in the bun. You can also take your bun out. Who's sitting down for hours going over there on a Saturday at 8 and leaving at 4? Nope, not Ambi. Guys, get you guys a braided wig. And you can twist it. Baby, wow. Kind of get it adjusted. It has combs in it inside of the wig. It has combs. It's braided. It's long. Top of my butt. Come in. I hate that. Want to say hi to YouTube?
Hey guys. Welcome back to my mom's channel.
Right.
I hope y'all subscribe and hit that bell to her notifications. Follow her on Instagram.
Right.
And everything else.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Like my son just said, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe. You guys have a good one. Y'all be safe. Bye.